Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering essentials. Do this now so you don't stall. Once done, organize government ID, travel orders, and 2 copies of any required forms. Make sure to look up current manifest times for your desired route and note arrival windows. That timing decides priority. While packing, prioritize documents in one accessible folder. If a manifest updates, you'll adapt quickly because your paperwork and timing are already aligned and ready for check-in. You now move through check-in and toward boarding. Arrive early and sign the proper register line to secure your spot. Once signed, monitor passenger loads and understand the F priority codes so you can estimate your chances. Make sure to keep your phone on and stay within sight of the gate because manifests can call names quickly. Stay ready to move. If you're bumped, ask about standby procedures and alternative flights while maintaining visibility and confirmation of your place. You complete the process by following gate staff directions precisely and presenting your documents at boarding. This final verification locks your spot. Once aboard, stow carry-on per rules and confirm your seat so there's no last-minute confusion. If you are denied boarding, remain calm and immediately ask staff for the next manifest dates, add your name again, and leave reliable contact info. One key troubleshooting tip: if manifests change, politely escalate to the passenger terminal manager to clarify your status and next options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.